Hey viewers, and welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the CF motor. We're going to carry out the annual service. So we're going to be using all genuine parts, so oil filter, air filter, and then we're also going to be using this oil, Motorex 10W50. So with no further ado, let's get into it. But yeah, nice and loose now, so we're gonna do one by one. So one, now we're talking. So now we're gonna remove the bolts from the oil filter cover. Right, it's an 8mm socket. And then that's the first one, and the second. Oh, there we go. There she comes. You do have a little magnet there that grabs all the bad stuff from obviously the gearbox, and that's why you've got the filter first and then the little magnet there. So you want to make sure that that magnet is like as clean as possible. There we go. You have to turn it a little bit, and it goes in nice and easy. Not gonna be using this O-ring this time. Do have a brand new one, so we're gonna replace it this time, just to make sure that we do not have any leaks. There we go. It's nice and clean. Then the ring goes in. Now with the filter, we do have a brand new genuine filter. With a filter, I will always like to give them a spray a little bit of oil, and then only after that just put it in. But obviously this is just personal preference. You don't need to do that. Just don't like to put the dry filter in. Put it in. It's all the way in, and there we go, all the way in. Don't want to damage the O-ring, and then twist it a little bit, and then you're gonna feel straight away when it's in. So we're gonna do the little ones first. So 6, 1 and 2, and then these ones are gonna go for 25, right on the middle. 25 there. Second one, 25 there. Fresh oil. So the manual says 2.8 liters. So let's start with the first liter. Second liter. And the last bit, 800. And now the final bit is start the bike, see if it runs, and see if we've got any leaks. So one last thing to check on the annual service is obviously the air filter. So to do that, you need the bike keys, and then you need to remove the actual seat. Well, the seat lock is over here, so you need to undo this, and then we can remove the seat. Now, to get access to the air filter box, you also need to remove the second seat. You do need an Allen key because there is two bolts here. Now we also have all of these, which is the first cover, so this is the airbox, and we need to remove all of these screws as well, and then we're going to be able to see the air filter. So we're going to go ahead and do that. After removing all the screws, we can access the air filter and obviously have a little look, see if it's in good condition. If not, I'm gonna replace no matter what this filter, but from what I can see is actually okay ish. There is a few bits of dirt, but yeah, like I said, we're gonna replace it anyway. So, and to reinstall all these, basically the reverse, do it on a reverse order. Screaming, saying, "Show us the filter! Show us the filter!" So that's why I've took the oil filter apart, and then if we open it, as I said, there was a few little things, but to be honest with you, nothing very major. One there, nothing really bad. I'm really happy with this.